Spin is not rotation. You have already seen two patterns living around an electron. Straight texture in the energy sea makes the electric field. Tiny swirl marks from the ring current make the magnetic moment. Now we zoom in on the ring current itself. That is where spin lives. First, update the picture. In energy filament theory F, the electron is not a little ball spinning in space. The ring shape stays put. What actually runs around is energy flowing along the ring. That steady loop of flow is the ring current. Spin is simply the direction of that ring current. Why say spin is not rotation? If you spin a tennis ball, one full turn brings it back to the same state. But the electron's internal flow is different. The energy on the ring has to loop around twice to fully return to its original pattern. You can think of it like this. When the flow starts, you label the pattern as front side up. After one full lap, the flow comes back but with the pattern flipped, like a tape that has been turned over. Only after the second lap does the full internal pattern match the starting state again. So spin is not a speed number or a simple angle. It is an internal rhythm with a 2 laps to reset rule. What does that do for the universe? First, spin decides whether the electron can line up with other patterns in the energy sea. The sea has directions in its texture. The ring current also has a direction. If the two directions refuse to match, it is like turning a key the wrong way in a lock. Nothing fits. If they match, there is a chance for attraction, repulsion, or locking together at a deeper level. This is not basic electric push and pull. It is a more advanced effect we can call texture coupling. Second, spin sets the direction of the magnetic moment. The tiny swirl mark in the sea comes from the ring current. The spin direction tells that swirl which way to twist. Third, spin shapes particle personality. A neutrino has the simplest ring current and the faintest spin texture, so it almost never talks to anything. An electron has a richer ring current pattern. That lets it support many properties and makes it the main interface particle of the universe. One-line summary: spin is not the electron turning like a planet. Spin is energy running around a loop with a special 2-lap rhythm. Its direction decides which texture signals the particle can hear and who it can actually interact with. Next episode: phase, interference, and coupling. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.